of www.cinquantacocksmith.com. Smile for me. Let me turn that off real quick. So today I am here with a quick video to show you how to change your pricing on Spreadshirt. I think in the previous video I could not find it, or I don't know. But I did get a comment about someone trying to figure out how to do the pricing on Spreadshirt. So I'm going to quickly go over to my Spreadshirt shop. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell. But I'm going to go ahead and log into my Spreadshirt. And I am going to show you where it is. So now this is the back office. So far, I have like $5 for a payout of the 15th. Here on the dashboard, you have all of these important information. And where did I go at? There's a button. Okay, here. So here it says shop. And I signed in, and this is the screen it brought me to. So here it says shop. And then you're going to go down to prices and promo. So it says shop pricing. And this is where you would basically change all of your pricing and margins. So say I want my men's premium shirt to be $25.99. I would change that. And then my margin would be $9.50. Okay, and then you could change whatever you want here. Also, if it's a non-profit shop, you slice that here. Then this is women's. You can go by each product, right? So that would be how you would go about each product. Say I want that to be $25 even. So this is the part. And it's easy to get to. If you can find that word shop or your shop, and hit apply changes, you will find the prices and promos, okay? So they do have different promo campaigns that go on, and you can turn them on for your shop, or you can turn them off. But might as well keep them. I love that they always have, you know, something that you can do and promote to have more people to come to your stores on Spreadshirt as well. So I hope this quick video was easy to help you. Make sure that you're creating the right prices and, you know, the shop margins for your Spreadshirt shop. Until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.